Hi, I'm Ted from Everything Attachments, and we're here today with the Construction Attachments Litter Bucket. This is a high volume bucket meant for light material, usually something like chicken litter. This comes in 3 sizes, a 72, an 84, which that's what this is, and a 93. The 72 holds 1 3/8. The 84 holds 1.5 yards, and the 93 holds 1 5/8 yards. Now these buckets are designed specifically for cleaning out chicken houses, could be used for other things. A lot of my customers call and tell me they have an ALO bucket, an HV version. And what they tell me is that the bucket is tapered from the bottom to the top, and when it gets fully crammed full of litter, it wedges in there, and it's difficult to get it back out. From here down, this wall is flat, so it's not gonna compact the litter. And a lot of buckets, especially dirt buckets, the bottom welded in cutting edge will turn at a 90-degree, and that's really gonna wear the side of a block wall in a chicken house. So what they've done here is they've added an optional poly plate here so you can rub up against your block with no wear on your chicken house. And so that makes it a good way to keep the bucket square where it'll dump your litter but not wear on your block wall. It's only tapered here at the very, very top where it gets high and something else maybe could hit, and it's not gonna affect the compacting of the bucket down in the center to be able to get your litter out. Now this bucket is pre-drilled with holes in the bottom of it, and where every hole is a bracing strap that goes, and I'll show you that at the back. There's gonna be, he's redesigning, this bucket uses these same holes in a bucket that we use for a manure bucket and uses a different type of rake in the front. We're putting a more conventional bar type style litter bucket rails that are gonna go on the optional to bolt on the front of this bucket to help you get that hard crusted litter up. All of these braces across here on the bottom run all the way up to the back of the front cutting edge. That's where the holes are drilled through for your front piece that's gonna be your forks or tines that go in front of this bucket to help you get up that litter. Now any type of hitch could be put on the back of this bucket. What's on it right now is what usually comes on most farm tractors and almost all skid steers, which is a universal skid steer attachment is what we call it, or a universal quick attach, where you're gonna hook it under here, your 2 pins are gonna go in. You've commonly got 2 levers here to do it. Now this is a USA made bucket by Construction Attachments in Lenoir, North Carolina. It's of high quality, and they've done everything that my customers have complained about of other buckets. They've changed it to make it to be able to release the litter easily instead of having to keep shaking their tractor and beating it on the cement to get that packed litter out of the back of it. So at Everything Attachments, we'll be happy to help size your bucket for the machine that you have or get you a special hitch if you need it. Just give us a call or an email and we'll be happy to help you.